Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, in general, the grind higher continues. We did as high as 28.14 yesterday. They rejected that a little bit, though, and in the overnight, we ended up shorting the close from just above the roundy, and we were looking for a test of the weekly pivot, and we got it. The problem with this tape and the problem with the Bulls' performance in this, or the Bears' performance in this tape, is it's not really a tape where if you're getting 88, 90% of the trades right, which is basically what we do in here, you can't be throwing darts at 28.14 and kind of hoping for that, it's saying, well, that's going to be the high. And the reason you can't do that is because all these other darts that you would have thrown would have, hit you in the face. And so we had to wait for things to kind of come back down to the hourly mid-band here and start to break. So we caught the short from here. But look, I'll take it. Ended up being an 11-handle day yesterday, and that's fine. It's hard to catch the full move, though, because of just how poorly the Bears tend to react. We were long before that. So it's a situation today where are we going to close? Above the weekly pivot or below? The Bulls got to hold. They've got to hold the weekly pivot. Ideally, they close, above 2,800, above the daily pivot. They take care of weekly pivot, hourly mid-band, daily pivot, close somewhere up here. What do the Bears want to do? They don't care where it is. They want to live and close. They want to close down here. If they can close down here and then press it for another day to 2 days, then it starts to look like, okay, well, we need to come off a little bit. Where's the daily mid-band? Let's test the middle of all of this and see if it still wants to be buy dips or whether we're going to shift over to sell rallies. So we'll see. That's the absolute key. This isn't going to be a particularly long webcast. I'm going live on Instagram in 10 minutes. We open in 20 minutes, and today is really going to be about the weekly pivot. So I'm excited. We're starting a new portion of our subscription service today, just adding another way for people to stay informed. We're going to do daytime alerts now of the setups and the risk markers by way of GroupMe. We already do after hour stuff on GroupMe. Now I'm giving subscribers an opportunity to opt in during the day and get so people at least know whether we want to be long or whether we want to be short and where the risk marker is. One of the biggest things that people say to us is, well, you guys are great. You guys crush it every day, but, I just can't be in front of the computer all the time. Well, this will have, whether we're, what the setup is, delivered to your phone via GroupMe all day long. If wherever we're in, you'll know what we're in, and all you have to do is glance at the notifications on your phone. So I'm really excited to get that started. We're going to try it for a couple of weeks and see how it goes, and hopefully it goes well and we keep it. All right, so join me on Instagram, 920. Watch that weekly pivot. Above or below is going to dictate the rest of the week. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.